Hello friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about magnetic properties of materials. Magnetic properties of a substance can be studied by defining certain parameters, mainly four factors. Number 1, magnetizing field, intensity of magnetization, permeability and susceptibility. First is, what is magnetic field? Magnetic field, it is denoted by capital letter B. Magnetic field is defined as the space around a magnet. The SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla or capital T. Here the magnetic field lines never cross. Magnetic field lines naturally bunch together in region where the magnetic field is strongest. Magnetic field lines don't start or stop anywhere. They always make closed loops and will continue inside a magnetic material. Next is, what is magnetizing field? It is denoted by H. The field which induces the magnetism in a material is called magnetizing field. Here, when a magnetic material is placed in a magnetic field, a magnetism is induced in it. Here, we are using iron bar. Okay. So, the field which induces the magnetism in a material is called magnetizing field. The SI unit of magnetizing field is ampere per meter. Here the formula of magnetizing field is B equal to mu H. This is the relation between magnetic field B and magnetizing field H. So we can say B equal to mu H. Next is magnetization or intensity of magnetization. It is denoted by capital M or small I. It is a magnetic moment developed per unit volume of a material when placed in a magnetizing field. For example, when a magnetic material is placed in a magnetizing field, it gets magnetized. Then we can say that capital letter M is intensity of magnetization equal to small m by volume. Small m is the dipole moment and V is the volume. Then we can say that magnetic moment developed per unit volume of a material when placed in a magnetizing field. Magnetizing field intensity or magnetic intensity. It is the number of ampere turns flowing round the unit length of the solenoid required to produce a given magnetizing field. Here we can say that the ability of magnetizing field to magnetize a material medium is expressed, we can say H equal to B naught by mu naught. Here we can say what is the difference between magnetic intensity and intensity of magnetization. Here the magnetic intensity defines the force that the poles of the magnetic experiences in a magnetic field, whereas the intensity of the magnetization explains the change in the magnetic moment of a magnet per unit volume. Next is, what is magnetic permeability? Magnetic permeability, it is the ability of a material to permit magnetic lines of force to pass through it. Here permeability is the measure of the extent to which a material can be penetrated by a magnetic field. then we can say that the magnetic permeability of a material is defined as the ratio of its magnetic induction to the magnetic intensity H. So SI unit of mu is Tesla meter or per ampere or TMA minus 1. The magnetic permeability mu equal to B to H. So B is the magnetic field and H is the magnetized field. Relative permeability. Here the relative permeability denoted by mu R. It is the ratio of the magnetic permeability of substance to permeability of free space. Here, permeability of various magnetic substance can be compared with one another in terms of relative permeability mu R. So, then we can say that this ratio of permeability of the medium to the permeability of the free space. Next is, what is magnetic susceptibility? That means we can say that chi. It is the ratio of intensity of magnetization M and strength of the magnetizing field. Okay, in this case, what is that is susceptibility? Magnetic susceptibility measure the ability of a substance to take up magnetization when placed in a magnetic field. So that chi equal to M by H. Next is, it has no unit because both are same unit, so it will be cancelled, so it has no unit. Here, what is magnetic induction? It is the total number of magnetic lines of force crossing per unit area through a magnetic material. Okay. So then we can say that B equal to mu 0 H plus M. Here, example based on magnetic properties of a material. Here, magnetizing field of 1500 ampere per meter produces a magnetic flux of 2.4 into 10 power minus 5 Weber in a bar of iron of cross section 0.5 centimeter square. So, calculate permeability and susceptibility of the iron bar used. Here they are giving magnetizing field H equal to how much? 1500 and magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is phi equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 5 Web and area equal to 0.5 centimeter square. So 0.5. So converted into meter square, we can write 0.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. So now we know that 5 and 8, we have to calculate here, calculate permeability and susceptibility. So in this case, permeability formula is B equal to B by H. So B already we got it here, 0.48 Weber meter square. 0.48 by, what is the value of H? H equal to 1500. Now we will get after calculation 3.2 into 10 power minus 4 kTm per A. Here susceptibility mu equal to mu naught bracket 1 plus chi m. So here in this is actually what is the relation between susceptibility and permeability. So after this we know we have to calculate psi m equal to mu by mu 0 minus 1. Okay, here rewriting. After that here mu equal to, we know what is the value, 3.2 into 10 power minus 4 by mu 0 means we know that it is a free space value, so 4 into 4 pi. So 4 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 7 minus 1. After calculation 254.77 minus 1, we will get 253.7. So here susceptibility we don't have no unit here. So hope you understand. Thanks for watching.